In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Pycharm on your MacBook Air and run Pyspark project on your MacBook. So to install the Pycharm Community Edition, you have to type this one and then go to this URL and then accept all, and then you can see there is a download option, and this is free for MacBook MacBook Air. You have to install this Apple Silicon one, and this is for other one. Okay, so I have MacBook Air M2, so I need to install it. So hit the download button. I have already downloaded, so I'm going to cancel it. You can see 1.2 GB. Okay, so after download, you need to just run that, and then I think you know that I'm believing that you know how to install this on your MacBook, and you can see I have installed this Pycharm on my MacBook, and here you can see after you install, this is the output. Okay, so you have to download from this directory. You have to download this file, you have to run it, and then this is the apps. Okay, so what you need to do to run a Pyspark in your Pycharm, you have to go to here and do a new project. So this is my project directory, so you have to define this project directory, and here the project type should be this virtual environment. Okay, so here you need to remember that this Python 3.13. okay, so this will not support. So I tried with 3.13, it was not supported, so I used 3.11. okay, so if you don't have, then you can just select this one and simply go hit on create. Automatically this Python version will be downloaded. Okay, so I have already downloaded this 3.11 version, so I'm going to use that one. So let me use this one, 3.11. okay, so let me create a project, and you can see here is the project file. Okay, project folder. So right click here and then create a Python file. So here type any name, hello.py, and you can see, so we can run the Python script here. Let me run hello world. You can see hello world is working here. Okay, and now to run Pyspark files, you need to do one thing. You need to import the library. So how you will do that? Okay, so go to your Python packages. Okay, and here type Pyspark. The first option is Pyspark. Once you click on install, then it will be asking for version. So one thing you need to remember, we are using Python 3.11. okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to use Pyspark 3.5.6. okay, so let me install this one. You can see it's running, already running. Okay, I think it's got installed. You can see it's already there, uninstall button is there. Okay, now we can do one thing. We can type the package from Pyspark Spark context. Okay, and here let me type data or Spark let me create these apps. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the data here. So any demo data we are going to import, like the name, ID. Suppose we are going to use the name and ID. Okay, here we are going to use this name and ID. Okay, so here we are going to create this data frame. Let me put it on a df and df.show. Let me run this one. It's not running. Oh, I have to do this one. I have to do like this. Okay, now it will run. You can see it's running, and this is the file. So this is how you can create a Pyspark project on your MacBook using Pycham. If you need any help, please ping on the comment box. Thank you.